This is my drawing of Coca-Cola Labubu, and today I'm going to teach you each and every step so that you can draw this yourself. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center of our page with the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to bend this down, go across, and just curl that up on the end. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Going across and then curling that up. Now I want to tuck two ovals for the eyes underneath the brow. So we're going to start from the outside, come down toward the bottom, around, and just tuck that up on the inside. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height and then back up. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside, so we're going to draw a smaller oval, starting from the inside of the eye, going up towards the brow, come around, just curl that up. Now on the top left side of each pupil, draw a small circle for highlight. Let's fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Let's go down towards the bottom of the eye, move to the center and draw the nose. We'll start with a curve across the top. And then from the ends, bend this down and in towards the center. Now I want to give our character a large smile. So we're going to start from the outside of the left eye. Curve this down, across, and then curl that up. Let's add that row of teeth along the bottom. Starting in the center, we're going to come down and then up toward the left. Go back to the center, do the same thing on the right. And I want to continue to add these teeth going up towards the corner of the mouth. So we're going to start with the left, going down and up. So I've added 4 more teeth on the left side, so I'm going to add 4 more on the right. Now that we've completed the face, let's draw that trim going around the outside. So we're going to start right in the middle with a V. Let's go left, come straight down on the left and right side, angle this up and then out. Let's add another point, coming down. Now on the left side, I'm just going to curl this up, go all the way around the face and mouth, and then pull that in toward the center. Let's go back up to the right. We're going to do the same thing, going around the face, mouth, and then pull that back in. Now I'm going to go all the way back up to the top and draw the top edge of the can. So we're going to start on the top left, bend this down in the middle, and then curl that up. On the ends, draw 2 straight lines going up the side. Now we're going to draw that same curve, coming down, across, and then up. In the center, let's draw in the tab. We're going to start from the bottom, go up and over towards the right, round this out. I just want to pinch this in towards the bottom. Let's go up to the top. We're going to draw an oval along the inside. And then on the bottom, we'll add a small circle. On the outside of the tab, let's draw 2 straight lines going across the base of the ears. And then we'll draw in the ears. Let's start on the left. Bend this around and up, coming in towards the top. Round at the ear, and then bring that in and then down. On the right side, we're going to see the ear in between that tab. Let's go to the outside lid, bend this up and then in behind the ears. Let's trace the inside of the ears, going up and back down. And we're going to add a small tip across the bottom. From the bottom corners of the can, let's draw the outside of the head. We'll start with the left. We're going to go out and then down. Let's add some fur. We're going to just curl that back up towards the inside. Continue that curve going around towards the bottom and in. And then just curl that back up. Now I'm going to bend this back down and in towards the edge of the hands. Let's draw the hands on top of the can. From here, curve this up, and this in, and then down. Now let's add a point going out and then up for the first finger. Let's add another finger coming down, bend that up, and one more finger coming down towards the bottom, and then going back up to the top of the palm. Just going to round this out and pull that in towards that last finger. Let's continue the curve of the head in between the hands, going down and then up. Now we're going to place our character inside the can, so just underneath the head, we want to draw the top edge, but we want to line this up with the top of the can. We're going to go out and then curl that back in. From the outside curve, draw 2 straight lines coming all the way down towards the bottom of the can. Let's close off the bottom with a curve, going down and then up. Let's add a small bevel. We're going to step in, and let's down and in towards the bottom, and we'll follow that same curve. Now I want to wrap the words Coca-Cola around the can, so we're only going to see the inside. So let's start from the left, curl this down and up, and then bend that down on the inside. Let's round this out, pull that back up. Now trace the inside of the C, coming down towards the bottom, and then up towards the A. Let's go up towards the same height and bend that down. I'm just going to flatten this off, come down at an angle, and then curl that back up. Now I just want to trace this back along the bottom. And we'll trace the inside of the A. And once we finish adding in all those letters, we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's a drawing of Coca-Cola Labubu. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.